Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how to create a good presentation on Canva. So first thing I'm gonna do is open the Canva application. So here I already have a project related to this today tutorial. So here I already have the presentations here, but let's see first how this presentation is going. Okay, it's quite flat. There is not really have a good transitions for this presentation, so let's make this presentations be more good enough. So first thing we're gonna do is just go into this plus button here, just need to click, and now we can just go into the transitions, and then you can choose what transitions that you want to have here. Okay, this one, let's say you can like adjusting the duration, you can make it long. Okay, I want to have 1.5, and we can also adjust in the direction, either you want to slide into the left side, right side, or upper, down. I want to do upper. Okay, and after you're done, just click X. Now you can just do the same for the next page. You can just do this right there. Okay, and after that just need to click it, and then adjusting the durations, the directions right there, with the colors too. Okay, adjusting it. Okay, let's do more and more to make these presentations quite cool. You can just slide into the left side and explore more about the transitions that provided by the Canva. It's just got the same, guys. You can do this for the rest of your presentation. Slide. Okay, make sure you do and choose whatever you want to have for your presentation. And after you're done, I think this is enough. And after that, just need to click this to check the presentations going. Okay, that's good enough. That's all the way how you make your presentations looks better by adding the transition for each slide. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't ever forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.